Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to start present value methods. So in the present value, first method was present value of a single cash flow that we are going to see today. Means we have seen two methods based on future value, means present value was given. So we need to find the future value. How we can do that? We have seen those methods. Now here the question is, here the method is about present value, finding present value. Means in these methods, future value is already given to us and we have to calculate present value. Okay, earlier present value was given, future value we need to find out. Now future value is given, present value we need to find out. Suppose someone is offering us a certain amount after a certain time period. A person is saying, okay, give me some money today. After 2 years, I'll give you this amount. And you want to know the person who is offering you that amount, in future, he is going to offer that amount to you. So what is the present value of that amount? You need to find out that, because then only you will be able to know whether you are in profit or in loss. Okay. If that person is offering you some amount in future and its present value is more than that, so we have to check all these things. So present value is the current worth of a future cash flow discounted at an appropriate interest rate. Okay. Means here we will know future value. What is future value? That we already know. We need to find out the present value. So formula is present value equals future value divided by 1 plus r to the power n. This is the formula. Okay. So one more formula is there, that is present value equals future value into PV factor. This we'll cover, these formulas, these things we'll cover in one more video. We'll see the table values, then we'll check these second formulas. So first one we are going to see present value equals future value divided by 1 plus r to the power n. FV is obviously the future value. Earlier we were calculating it in the future value methods. Now it is given. R is the discount rate. In the present value method, R is the discount rate. Because future value is given, we need to know at what discounted rate we will find out its present value. So discount rate will be given here. So it is denoted by same variable r only, but the name has changed. It is discount rate here. In the future value methods, r will be known as interest rate, and in the present value methods, r will be known as discount rate. And present value methods are also known as discounting value methods, right? So r is discount rate and n is same number of years. So PV factor, PV is present value and PV factor is present value factor. So let's see the question. So the question here is, find present value of rupees 10,000 which is going to be received after 6 years if the rate of discount is 10% per annum. So first we'll write the given information. What is given to us? Present value of rupees 10,000. Find present value. We have to find present value of rupees 10,000 which is going to be received after 6 years. So 10,000 is future value. 10,000 we are going to receive after 6 years. That means n is also given, n is 6 years, and if the discount rate is 10% per annum, that means here r is discount rate, so that is 10% per annum. So it will become 0.10. So here also present value, in present value methods also we need only three things: future value, n and r. So we know the future value means we are going to get rupees 10,000 after 6 years and with a discount rate of 10%. So these three things we have noted down. Now for finding present value, we have the formula, that is future value divided by 1 plus r to the power n. So simply we have all the three values, just put it in the formula. So future value is 10,000 divided by 1 plus r is 0.10 and n is 6. So see, here all three things are given yearly only. 10,000 we are going to receive, and this is single cash flow, so not every year some amount is to be received, only one time amount is to be received because it is present value of single cash flow. So single cash flow is there. It is not saying 10,000 yearly we are going to receive, no. 6 years it is also given yearly, and 10% per annum. Per annum also means yearly. So all three things are given now. Okay, so it will be 10,000 divided by 1.10 to the power 6, and here we will get, when we'll calculate this value 1.10 to the power 6, 6 times we'll multiply, so we'll get 1.7715, and it will be equal to 5644.93. It is the present value. So after 6 years we are going to receive 10,000 rupees, and its present value is, its today's value is 5,644.93 rupees. So this is how we can find the present value. Okay, and if these types of things are given, if you have to find out the power of, maybe some people don't know this also. So 1.10 to the power 6, that means on the calculator you have to multiply it 6 times. Not 1.10 multiplied by 6, not that. 1.10, then multiply 1.10, 1.10, 1.10, 1.10 and 1.10. That means 6 times you have to multiply the same number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't lose the count. So 6 times we have multiplied. So we have got the present value here. So I think it's clear now how we can find, when future value is given, how we can find the present value. Okay. So this question you can solve by yourself. It's very easy based on the same formula only. So solve it and comment. Thank you.